In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion for life organization. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by juggling various aspects of your personal and professional life, this could be a game changer for you. Notion is a powerful tool that brings together all your organizational needs into one cohesive platform. And today, we're focusing on creating a life dashboard. Let's kick things off by introducing the concept of a life dashboard. Think of this as the central hub for all your life activities, a personal homepage, if you will. You will be able to seamlessly manage your tasks, calendar events, goals, and much more. The beauty of Notion is its flexibility and ability to adapt to your unique lifestyle and priorities. To get started, launch Notion and create a new page. Name this page Life Dashboard. It's your main workspace where every critical area of your life can converge. Begin by adding links to the pages you use most often. You'll start with the Tasks page, which will be essential for managing your day-to-day responsibilities. You can list your tasks, set deadlines, and even categorize them based on their urgency or importance. Next, incorporate a calendar. The calendar will help you keep track of deadlines, important meetings, or personal appointments. Notion's calendar functionality is quite robust, allowing you to view your schedule in various formats that suit your workflow best. Now move on to adding a goals page. This is where you can outline your short-term and long-term aspirations. By breaking down larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks, you'll find it much easier to stay on track and measure your progress over time. Another vital page to include is a journal. Not only does regular journaling help in reflecting on your daily activities and thoughts, but it also promotes mental well-being. You might want to use this page to jot down morning thoughts, ideas, or even a summary of your day. Given the importance of financial stability, a budget page finds its place on your dashboard. Use this to track your earnings, expenditures, and savings. It can be as simple as a list or as detailed as a fully fledged financial plan with charts and graphs. Don't forget your personal development with a habit tracker. This page is perfect for monitoring daily habits you want to establish or break. It reminds and encourages you, offering a visual representation of your progress. Books can be gateways to new worlds, and that's where a reading list page comes in. Keep track of books you want to read or are currently reading, and note down insights or summaries. For those inclined to wanderlust, a travel plans page is a great addition. Here you can store itineraries, lists of places to visit, and any other travel-related information. Finally, include a notes page. This is your catch-all section for quick thoughts, memos, or anything that doesn't neatly fit into the other categories. Each of these pages can be linked directly on your life dashboard, creating a streamlined and efficient organization system that makes prioritizing your tasks and ambitions much clearer. Once it's all set up, you'll find managing various aspects of your life becomes significantly simpler, letting you focus on what truly matters. And there you have it, a comprehensive life dashboard in Notion tailored to bring all elements of your life together.